Come with me for a second. Close your eyes. No, actually, keep them open. Because what I'm about to show you, you need to see with your own eyes. This is not a bus. This is not a van. This is not just another coach. What you're looking at right now is a rolling 5-star hotel suite. And today, I'm not just showing it to you. I'm inviting you into it. Welcome back to the showroom. I'm standing right here, in front of one of the most impressive vehicles we have ever had on this floor. And by the time this video ends, you're going to understand exactly why. Look at this presence. Look at how it sits. The moment this coach pulls up outside a hotel, an airport, or a corporate event, every single head turns. That bold GMC front grille, that commanding stance, those LED lights that cut through the dark like a blade. This is a vehicle that doesn't ask for attention. It demands it. Run your eyes along the body. See that sharp black and gold detailing along the side? That's not decoration. That's a signature. Every line on this coach was designed with one purpose: to tell the world that whoever steps out of this vehicle is somebody important. And this is a real road machine too. Big all-terrain wheels, a raised stance built to handle real distances, not just look good parked in a showroom. Now here's where it gets exciting. This isn't a coach with a few nice extras bolted on. Every single feature inside this vehicle was chosen to create one feeling: comfort. Without compromise. We're talking about premium climate control, ambient lighting that changes the entire mood of the cabin, sound insulation so good you forget there's an engine at all, and a layout designed the way a private jet is designed, for people who value their time and their comfort equally. Step inside with me for a moment. The first thing you notice is the space. It doesn't feel like a coach. It feels like a lounge. Soft lighting flows across the ceiling. The seats are wide, deep, and finished in premium materials that you want to touch before you even sit down. Every surface, every panel, every stitch, it's been finished the way you'd finish a luxury yacht, not a passenger vehicle. This is craftsmanship. This is attention to detail that most people will never even notice, but they will absolutely feel it. Now imagine a 3-hour journey in this coach. There's no stiffness in your back. There's no noise fighting for your attention. There's no feeling of just getting through the trip. Instead, passengers arrive at their destination the same way they left: relaxed, refreshed, and ready. That's the real luxury here. It's not about the badge on the front. It's about how people feel when they step out at the other end. I remember the day we delivered a coach just like this one to a client running VIP airport transfers. A week later, he called me. Not to, but because one of his passengers, a businessman flying in from overseas, told the driver this was the most comfortable ground transport he had experienced anywhere in the world. He said it felt like the journey was part of the holiday, not just a way to get there. That's the reaction we build for every single time. So who is this coach really for? This is for luxury travel companies who want their brand associated with excellence. This is for corporate clients who need to move executives in comfort and privacy. This is for VIP transport services who understand that first impressions matter. And this is for premium tour operators who want their guests talking about the journey, not just the destination. If your business is built on giving people an unforgettable experience, this coach belongs in your fleet. Let's be honest, there are thousands of coaches on the road today. Most of them are built to move people from point A to point B, nothing more. This is different. This was built to move people and their expectations. The difference between an ordinary coach and this one isn't the engine. And it isn't even the size. It's the feeling the moment you step through that door. The feeling that you've entered something exclusive. This coach isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement. It says that you value your time, your image, and the people you're responsible for moving. If you're ready to give your clients, your guests, or your business a travel experience they will genuinely remember, then it's time to come see this coach in person. Reach out to us. Book a private viewing at the showroom. Come sit inside it, feel it for yourself, and I promise, you'll understand exactly why we're so proud to have this vehicle here. We'll be waiting for you.